Join us to experience the first ever workplace-driven Microsoft Azure and AWS Cloud Engineering course with integrated DevOps and Big Data. Architect 5+ full stacks and big data projects in Microsoft Azure and AWS with trending DevOps automation. Automate multi-cloud infrastructure including Microsoft Azure and AWS with DevOps IAC automation tools such as Terraform and Packer. Execute native cloud infrastructure automation with leading DevOps IAC automation services such as Azure Resource Manager (ARM) and AWS CloudFormation. Orchestrate and automate containerized workloads in Microsoft Azure Kubernetes Service (AKS) and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service (EKS). Do real-time hands-on workouts with a curated library of books. Easily copy-paste commands, source code, snippets, and configurations from our library of books for seamless hands-on workouts during session time. Get your hands-on workout off the ground instantly with our open-source starter kits for Microsoft Azure, AWS, Terraform, Packer, Docker, and Kubernetes. Discover what people think about our training programs. Read the complete course content of Microsoft Azure, AWS, and Terraform to know the comprehensive list of topics covered, including the hands-on exercises. You deserve more than a training program to upskill your career. With 14+ years of expertise, we deliver a high-voltage, workplace-driven learning experience you will never regret.